Merry Christmas 2008, Camden.
Okay,
What'd you get? Is this from Santa?
Yes.
Oh. Pesky golf clubs.
So excited,
What'd you get?
It's a chunky puzzle.
Oh, that's got trucks and everything.
I might need a paring knife. Do you have a... Oh, chunky puzzle man pieces.
Do you like your puzzle, Camden? You don't need to open anything else, do you?
Do you know how they work? Watch. Boom, beep, 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 boom.
What kind of truck is that? Is that a dump truck? No.
Yeah. Here go. Yeah. One more here.
There's the cement truck.
You saw the cement truck outside, right?
Okay.
Remember seeing the cement truck, bud?
Oh, yeah. You recognize it.
Very good. It goes here. It goes in here. There's your truck. Good job.
Oh, let me hold him.
Camden, you ready to open your next one now?
Oh, look at this.
Oh,
Can you pull?
Nice book. Nice book.
It's a balance ball.
You do love your balance ball. Whoa, what's inside?
What is it? Oh,
It's your football warm-ups. He's probably hungry.
it's clothes. Oh, you like the paper better
Here,
now, huh?
I'll feed him.
your mom
Good job.
come to the rescue.
Yeah, just do it.
Oh,
Hey.
football.
Camden, show the camera.
Show the camera. Look at that.
Turn
Look
around.
at that. Look, Camden.
Turn around.
Look at it. Yeah.
It's scarlet and gray and everything.
Wow.
Where
Where
from?
come from?
Santa.
Santa.
Santa knows your style, Cameron.
Yeah, that's Santa. Yeah.
Here you go.
Yeah, they're close. They're close. They're close. They're close. Rip it up. Rip it up.
Who's it from? Who's this from, Kim?
Lisa and Tony.
Uncle Tony and Aunt Lisa.
Got it right.
I always say Uncle Lisa and Aunt Tony.
Oh, maybe a book. A toy.
Keep tearing it, bud. Did you get distracted by the tape?
Hang in there, a long way, yeah.
There you go.
Grandma's on matching socks. How cool is that? Oh, chicken gas.
Alright.
Okay.
Oh, more trucks.
Oh.
From Uncle Tony and Lisa.
You can draw your trucks now. Can you hold it up, Grandma? There you go. We'll have to open that up for you.
He said that for
Say
Mama.
thank you, Uncle
He said that for
Tony.
Mama. That's for Mama.